Hello, dear kids. So, I hope you all are aware of the fact that from now onwards I'll be taking your GK class, है ना। हम तो अभी इससे पहले ऑनलाइन क्लास में मिले थे, राइट। मंडे ट्यूसडे हम साथ में पढ़े थे एंड अब इस बार से आई विल बी टेकिंग योर GK क्लास। नाउ द chapter that ma'am is going to discuss today is guessing the countries. Okay, guessing the countries is the chapter name that I'm going to discuss. So guys, let us start. Hello class, welcome back to your GK class. Yes, you heard it right. From now onwards I'll be taking your GK classes, and the page number that we have discussed in the last class is page number 50. In our online class we have discussed page number 50, and in that page number we have seen the various picture of the monuments, and we have to tell which monument is the by recognizing the picture. Okay, so like first picture was of Lotus Temple, the second one was of Gateway of India. Similarly, what we are going to do today we are going to start a new chapter, that is guessing countries. Yeah, so our topic for the day is guessing countries. Guessing countries. Fine, this is our topic for today's session. Now, what we have to do here, see, here some buildings, some famous places has been given in the boxes, and we have to guess the place where those buildings have been located, in which country. So with the basis of the picture we have to find out the country. Like, okay, so what I'm going to do, first of all I'm going to help you solving your book exercise. Now afterwards I'll be showing you pictures of these places, right? So let us start. Okay, so here is the page, and the very first picture that we are going to discuss is this one. See, this picture is very much similar to the Lotus Temple, but the two are not the same thing. Now this is what? Opera House, Sydney Opera House. The picture is of Sydney Opera House. Say it aloud. So first of all I'm going to jot down all the places name. Okay? So the very first one is Sydney. First one is what? Sydney Opera House. Now the next one is Petronas Tower. The next picture is of Petronas Tower. Petronas Tower. Okay. The third one is what? Burj Khalifa. Burj Khalifa. Okay. The fourth one is, after the Burj Khalifa, the fourth one is, yes, Gateway of India. The fourth one is what? Gateway of India. And the fifth one is Buckingham Palace. Fifth one is what? Buckingham Palace. Buckingham Palace. Okay? Okay. So let us read the names again. Let us read the names of the places again, loud and clear. So the very first name here is Sydney Opera House. Say along with me. Sydney. Yes, Sydney. SYDNEY. Sydney Opera House. Now the next is Petronas Tower. Petronas Tower. Say it again. Petronas Towers. Next, third one is Burj Khalifa. Say it aloud. Burj Khalifa. The third one is what? Burj Khalifa. Okay. Next is Gateway of India. The other picture here is of Gateway of India. Say it again. Gateway of India. After that, the next one is what? Buckingham Palace. Buckingham Palace. So Sydney Opera House, Petronas Tower, Burj Khalifa, Gateway of India, Buckingham Palace. Now what I am going to do? I am going to write down the cities name. Okay? The various cities where they have been located. So the first one is, okay, so now next place I am going to jot down the name of the cities. So Sydney Opera House is located in Sydney. देखो नाम से ही क्लियर है. Sydney, Sydney. Petronas Towers or Twin Tower is located in Kuala Lumpur. Kuala Lumpur. Kuala Lumpur. Next is Burj Khalifa. Burj Khalifa, Dubai. Burj Khalifa is located in Dubai. Okay. Next is Gateway of India. So I hope all of you must have been aware about Gateway of India. It is located in Mumbai. It is located where? In Mumbai. Now Buckingham Palace. Buckingham Palace is located in London. Now, good. Now, say with ma'am. Say along with ma'am. Sydney Opera House is located in Sydney. Say along with me. Sydney Opera House is located in Sydney. Petronas Tower is located in Kuala Lumpur. Petronas Tower is located in Kuala Lumpur. Next is Burj Khalifa. Burj Khalifa is located in Dubai. Burj Khalifa is located in Dubai. Gateway of India. Gateway of India is in Mumbai. Gateway of India is located in Mumbai. Buckingham Palace is located in London. Buckingham Palace is located in London. Okay, so what we have done? We have just learned the famous places along with the cities in which they are located. Okay, now the first one. See, Sydney Opera House. It is located in Australia. Sydney Opera House is located in Australia. Sydney Opera House is located in Australia. That part of board is not visible. Let me focus the camera there. Now the next one is Kuala Lumpur. Kuala Lumpur is located in Malaysia. Kuala Lumpur is located in Malaysia. Burj Khalifa is located in UAE, United Arab Emirates. UAE. Gateway of India is located in, obviously, in India. And Buckingham Palace is located in London. Buckingham Palace is located in London, and London is in which country? England. It is in England. Now my dear kids, I would like to request you to kindly fill your books. Ma'am has written the spelling here on the board and I would like to request you to fill your book. Come on, fill your book. Now, Sydney Opera House is located in Sydney, Australia. Let us revise. Sydney Opera House is located in Sydney, Australia. Petronas Towers, they are located in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. Petronas Tower is located in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. Burj Khalifa is located in Dubai, United Arab Emirates. Burj Khalifa is located in Dubai, United Arab Emirates. Gateway of India is located in Mumbai, India, and Buckingham Palace, it is located in London, England. Buckingham Palace is located in London, England. Buckingham Palace किधर है? London, England में है Buckingham Palace. Okay, class. So class, I have filled a book exercise. Now in the next section of the video, I am going to show you the picture of these places, and I would like to request you all to see the full video. And what I will be doing, I will be showing you the picture of these places and their significance. Okay class, so let's meet in the next section of the video. सो क्लास, अभी हमने बोर्ड पर क्या देखा? मैम ने हमारी बुक एक्सरसाइज कंप्लीट कराई है ना. बुक पे हमने क्या क्या देखा? हमने देखा हमारा चैप्टर था गेसिंग द कंट्रीज़, और उस चैप्टर में हमने चीज़ें देखी, जैसे कि हमने देखा डिफरेंट जो हमारे फेमस प्लेसेस है वो कहाँ पे किस जगह पे सिचुएटेड है. अभी हम क्या करने वाले हैं? कुछ पिक्चर्स हम देखेंगे, उसके बाद हम एक क्विज सॉल्व करेंगे. येस, यू हर्ड मी राइट, वी विल सॉल्व अ क्विज. नाउ class, see, this is the picture of Petronas Tower. Yes, this is the picture of Petronas Tower. Yes, Petronas Tower, and it is situated in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. So here I am having few information about Petronas Tower. Let us talk about them. ठीक है, चलो Petronas Tower के बारे में थोड़ी सी बातें कर लेते हैं हम लोग. Okay, let me select a beautiful color for you guys. So I'll be going with this one. Okay, चलो भाई देखते हैं. सो पेट्रोनस टावर की जो हाइट है वो यहाँ पे मेंशन है 1483 फीट समथिंग, मतलब 452 मीटर. ठीक है, तो पेट्रोनस टावर कितना ऊंचा है? 452 मीटर पेट्रोनस टावर ऊंचा है. लोकेशन क्या है पेट्रोनस टावर की? हमने लोकेशन भी देखा था. लोकेशन में हमने क्या देखा था? पेट्रोनस टावर कहाँ लोकेटेड है? पेट्रोनस टावर लोकेटेड है कुआला लंपुर, मलेशिया. पेट्रोनस टावर कहाँ लोकेटेड है बेटा? पेट्रोनस टावर लोकेटेड है कुआला लंपुर, मलेशिया. पेट्रोनस टावर लोकेटेड है कुआला लंपुर, मलेशिया. कुआला लंपुर मलेशिया में क्या है? हमारा पेट्रोनस टावर लोकेटेड है. ठीक है. नाउ क्लास, देयर इज़ वन मोर थिंग. ऑफिशियल ओपनिंग कब हुई थी इसकी? 28 अगस्त 1999. ठीक है, तो फिर से देख लेते हैं, फिर से एक बार समझ लेते हैं पेट्रोनस टावर की हाइट कितनी है. पेट्रोनस टावर, आपको पता है कि पेट्रोनस टावर एक बहुत ऊंचा टावर है और उसकी हाइट है 1483 फीट. पेट्रोनस टावर इज़ 1483 फीट हाई एंड 452 इन मीटर्स. इट इज़ लोकेटेड इन कुआला लंपुर, मलेशिया. इट इज़ लोकेटेड इन कुआला लंपुर, मलेशिया. ये कहाँ लोकेटेड है बेटा? कुआला लंपुर, मलेशिया में लोकेटेड है. नाउ, कब इसकी ऑफिशियल ओपनिंग कब हुई थी? तो इसकी ऑफिशियल ओपनिंग हुई थी अगस्त 28, 1990 की. ओके क्लास, नाउ लेट अस मूव अहेड. ठीक है, तो अभी मैं एक बार फिर से आपको पिक्चर दिखाऊं. देखो, पेट्रोनस टावर को हम ट्विन टावर भी कहते हैं। कहीं कहीं पेट्रोनस टावर को ट्विन टावर भी कहा जाता है। क्यों इसे ट्विन टावर कहा जाता है, रीज़न क्या है ट्विन टावर कहने के पीछे? तो ट्विन टावर कहने के पीछे एक जो सबसे बड़ा रीज़न है कि क्यों हम पेट्रोनस टावर को ट्विन टावर कहते हैं, उसके पीछे का जो बहुत बड़ा रीज़न है वो ये है कि यहाँ पे देखो एक जैसी दो बिल्डिंग्स खड़ी हैं, एक जैसी दो इमारतें आपको यहाँ पे नज़र आएंगी, ठीक है। तो इस वजह से पेट्रोनस टावर को हम क्या कहते हैं, पेट्रोनस टावर को हम ट्विन